Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Jira with Power BI without any extra tools. We'll be working directly inside Jira to find and install the Power BI integration from the app marketplace. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to get started. Begin by opening Jira and going to the default dashboard. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the main navigation options needed for the setup. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that's okay. Jira layouts can vary a little depending on your workspace, but the general path will still be the same. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation area and click on Apps. This section is where Jira keeps installed tools, integrations, and access to the marketplace. If you don't immediately see the option, give yourself a second to scan the side menu carefully, since placement can differ slightly depending on screen size or account permissions. After opening the Apps section, click on Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace area connected to your Jira environment, where you can browse available integrations. This is the place to go whenever you want to extend Jira's functionality without leaving the platform. When the Marketplace page opens, click into the search bar and type Power BI. Make sure the spelling is correct, so the right app appears in the results. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the integration you need, especially when there are many apps listed in the Marketplace. From the search results, click on Power BI. This opens the app listing page where you can review the integration and confirm that it's the one you want to install. Take a quick look over the listing details if needed, especially if you want to verify compatibility with your Jira setup. Next, click Get It Now. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation. The prompts may vary depending on your Jira permissions, marketplace settings, or whether approval is required in your organization. Just continue through the setup screens as they appear. As a helpful tip, if the installation doesn't proceed right away, you may need administrator access or approval from your workspace admin. In that case, pause here and coordinate with the appropriate person before continuing. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of connecting Jira with Power BI without using any extra tools.